it is Joshua, the geocaching vlogger. If you don't know who I am, I've been making geocaching YouTube videos for, count them, almost 10 years. And the reason I do it is to inspire you to get outside and explore the world through the amazing hobby of geocaching, because it has the ability to change your life. I'm still in the lovely rural area of Gilby, North Dakota. It is the Disneyland of geocaching. I have found so many amazing caches by Geocache'S. He is a genius. He's a genius. He builds incredible gadget caches, creative caches, fun caches, caches that have really got me chuckling. Whoa, look at this. Oh, what do we got here? We got a box. Looks like on top here we got some windows. So if you get closer, you can see, oh my gosh, it looks like there's like little coins or pennies in there. Oh my gosh, that looks like, just on the top of your screen, that looks like it could be the geocache. On the sides here, we got some circle. Okay. That opens up there. And that opens up there. And these, could it be? I think, yep. They're gloves. And as I put my hand in here, you guys, hear that? I have my hands on the geocache. I think possibly you're gonna have to open the cache and sign it inside the box. I got my hands on the geocache. And now, oh my God, I have to open it. You're not even gonna be able to see this. This might be the worst geocaching video ever because you're not gonna be able to even see what I'm doing. So you're looking inside of it. Do not put pen in here. And you can see that the logbook has been revealed. Now the next objective is to find the pen. So I gotta locate the pen. The pen is buried. I got it. It's in my hand. As you can see, it's a little blurry, but I do have the pen in hand. Let's see if I can sign it. Trust me, it does say GCV and the date inside there. All closed up, all signed. That was an interesting geocaching experience. All right, I got pen to paper, signed the geocache. That's a find. If you'd like to watch more videos, just go over there and I will meet you over there. Probably another awesome Gilby video there as well. All right, let's close it up.